Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I'm just doing a Printful review. So if you don't know what Printful is, it's an embroidery on demand, print on demand service that to do stuff like this, stuff like the shirt, stuff like hats. I used them before, and previously I got a shirt that was, they didn't have a tall tee, so I just got a shirt. It's one of my designs. I've had this shirt for a few years now, and you can see it's held up pretty well, actually. I mean, it's been through a lot of washes. I actually cut the sleeves off of it because it's too short for me. I'm 6'5", and this is a midriff on me, so I can't really use it. Well, they came out with tall t-shirts, and that's why I got this one. Okay, just a little graphical drawing I did, and you know what? It fits really well. It fits really well, and the printing on it's good. I like it. It hasn't been through the wash yet, but it had a little smell to it, like a little alcohol-y smell. But I like it. The other thing I got was this Jamoke beanie here, okay, embroidered. Okay, the embroidery costs a little bit more on the first one, but the reason I should say before I get into all this, really, the reason I'm making this video is because I want to give a truthful review on Printful, and how, because I'm using it for my print on demand shop and I'm using it for my merchandise. So I want to give a truthful review on it and how it goes. And so we can get into it right now. I've got a flex fit hat. And this is actually a really cool hat. It's got the logo there. It's got my SIG, and then on the back it's got that web designer, and then my name on the side there.
You know, for me, I want to do personal brand, and at some level, like.
So it's a cool little hat. I actually made a mistake. I got a small medium instead of a large, which I don't know how I did that, but my mistake. So I'm gonna give this one to my kids. It won't fit me. I got this Jamoke one. The embroidery is really nice on it. And on the back, I got that one. This is a flex fit, large. It fits me pretty well. I'll say that it could be a little bit small. It could be for, I mean, it is flex fit, but you know, I would like to be just a little bit bigger. And then the other one I have here for hats is this one. I just have a front, it's a snapback one. Now this one is a flat bill, and I actually ordered this, and I didn't really go through the other hat options when I had ordered this, just because I wanted to get something. So if I order this one, as you can see, I mean, it's fitting right there. It's good quality. The only thing I will say about this is this one's small on me as well, because it's a snapback, and for whatever reason it's a little bit small on me. So, but I mean, it's nice. I'm gonna wear it. You know, I'm gonna wear it on the last little dot there. So you know, that's the hats. And then, like I said, the shirt I got before, and this shirt's held up pretty well. So you know, if you want to check it out, go to my website, mikeshamon.com. You get some of my merch if you want. But that's the Printful review. If you want to start doing Printful yourself, there's a link below. You can sign up for Printful. You don't even have to have a website. You can just have a design, or you know, whatever, a picture that you want to put on a shirt. You can do that as well, and you set it up in the back end there. It's pretty easy to do. I will say that the shipping is reasonably priced. It's not overpriced at all. It's, you know, only a few bucks really. I can't remember what I paid maybe like $5, I think, for like all the stuff to be shipped here. Like some of it came together, but the shipping is great. I hook it up on the website, and on the website it works great. I don't have to do anything. I set up the Printful with WooCommerce. It takes a few minutes, not long at all, and then all I do is upload my products to Printful, and then once that's done, they upload automatically to my website in the category that I want, and it's like it's an automation thing. So and then if somebody buys it, I don't even do anything. Alma, he takes the order to Printful, and then they get the order, they do it, and then it ships it to the person. So I'm actually making a tutorial video about all this pretty soon. You're gonna be able to see it right here. I'm gonna put a link, so watch out for that. But thanks for watching this video. This is the Printful review. If you need some merch, check out mikeshamon.com, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right, have a good one. I'll see y'all on the other side.